Breathing sounds came from my Alexa at 3 a.m. while I was home alone, even though it was unplugged. I thought I was imagining things until I checked my Alexa history the next day. Someone had accessed my device remotely and was listening through it for hours. The police traced the signal to an empty house 2 streets over. Inside, they found printouts of my daily routine, photos taken through my windows, and a detailed map of my home's layout. The scariest part? My security cameras caught the person watching me sleep through my bedroom window that same night. They never caught them. Amazon confirmed this wasn't an isolated incident. Hundreds of similar cases have been reported. I threw out every smart device after that.